Learn English with picture description funny monkey moment. The monkey is sitting on the roof. The monkey is sitting on the roof. Your turn. The monkey is touching its head. The monkey is touching its head. Your turn. The monkey looks like it is thinking. The monkey looks like it is thinking. Your turn. There are green trees in the background. There are green trees in the background. Your turn. The monkey has brown and white fur. The monkey has brown and white fur. Your turn. Simple questions and answers. What is in the picture? Where is the monkey sitting? What is the monkey touching? What colors are the monkey's fur? What is behind the monkey? Short and simple story. One day, a monkey sat on a roof. The monkey touched its head and looked around. It seemed like the monkey was thinking. The trees were green and tall behind the monkey. The monkey looked curious and smart.